S-PIN management. You have created S-PIN during registration. It is required when using selected services. You can change the S-PIN in your profile settings at any time. Select User Profile on the Škoda Connect portal. To change your S-PIN, select S-PIN Management. Enter your original S-PIN and then twice the new S-PIN and confirm it by clicking on Change S-PIN. A message will appear confirming that the S-PIN has been successfully changed. You can reset a forgotten S-PIN by choosing Forgot S-PIN and enter twice a new S-PIN. The portal will generate a pairing code. Select the vehicle for which you would like to reset the S-PIN. Then, enter the pairing code into the infotainment in your vehicle. The procedure is the same as in the case of vehicle registration. In your vehicle, click on Menu, Settings, Škoda Connect, Registration, and enter the generated code. A message appears confirming that the registration is complete. Your S-PIN can be changed or reset in the Škoda Connect app under Settings, Security. Here, you can also decide to use the Touch ID or Face ID instead of S-PIN.